everybody, you know what's in the for Mr. Action. Yo, kuna direction njinji na magwako no banazo biko. Kuna bwe direction ya mkosi. Kuna bwe direction ya mkosi zino so magwako vabu biko. Kuna direction ya trade say kadisa pa na direction ezi. So yeah man, hapa na msindiko danga zino niko danga hoyo ni bizofi Roadkid Venda over na Tygaboy Mukoni versus Roadkid Venda hey track also go fi Caball Villa performance at the visually uko tangana mini, but yeah man, you can go and watch the video. It's very beautiful video of the Caball Villa performance. So I feel like this guy, maybe they did the freestyle, then they were like, okay, let's just put it like that. So yeah man, then for Bramanga Mr. Objection, I think maybe I'll be able to catch some boss. Let's be about it. Keep it quite random comes to not catch as the bus na mina zote. So let's go. Tiger, he can rap. Roadkid Venda, he can rap. So yeah man, let's hope it's a good thing. Woo! 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 Let's go. RKV ngodo mbizi ndatoda ndaba hype mene yanona mkala ngonzo ndazikona so dambe na mafunga chela ya then don't ngani charges. You have to call me. I'll be your hype man, like when you go to stage. Wariki man, you know, like it's gonna be nice. Famous, like yo man, and his hate is coming because he's famous. This boy is famous, like he's one of the he's the most booked artist around Venda. And guys into what before 7 gigs one day, that's before 3 ngama 4 ngama dekwana. So you know, you can tell he's one of the he's called. He was headlining a show ya Miss Universe. So yeah man, yeah, but like I was saying, he's the most booked artist around Venda. He was headlining a University of Venda Miss Universe. So that have to tell you something. He's the best. Debate. Why do they debate it? If in this are going, because but because in the debate because what debate about but we are gone. Royal tomorrow no can I feel facts. I always say it. Most of people benga Roadkid Venda because ne azita bayazitama but abakozikona kana abakukona na chance chozita or whatsoever, but they hate him because of that, because he's living what they want, he's doing what they want, but they can't do it, if you know what I mean. Yeah man, huh? Yeah, zikona bazifuna zita, but na you got I mean hapa ndikale badi bakozama umpa beef Mario sika late bona ba late yosika yokhetha samaguru saforos hey Kuna zombra zino. I don't rise to usiku nigwita zogwita usiku anu bendi baroi what them did usina na baroi abantu gwita
semeza urogona nakujagona ndikunoshika uye ndokuyana Tyga ifani Mukoni manene
ndo yana Tyga ifani Mukoni Tyga Mukoni nice kind of like word play nyana
semeza urogona nakujagona ndikunoshika uye ndokuyana Tyga ifani Mukoni manene twamende tobisa tone nene rapero ngaro ndojenwa ngamadimuna ranitse babato mabata sengeza
rantomento bvisa toni ne ndirapero nganzondo zvinonga mademon like let me just relax ndibvise toni like toni ndushona right let not be shy now ndiriponga ndo zvinonga mademon like I'm sure he's going to talk about rapping fast
manene twamende tobisa tone nene rapero ngaro ndojenwa ngamadimuna ranitse babato mabata sengeza bari freestyle feneza bazadekeza babata
rhyme dzava vatu mavatosengedza like sengedza ndivokutodobhera chikosengedziwa kuti zvive enough kungwana so vatotuma vatosengedza vari ndi freestyle fene dzavo dzavatikedza umwara imwe namusi amwara imwamba machero amwara imwamba machero dzatanganyisiwa kupfi ndi freestyle ndikombero boda Tyga Mukoni khane ndi n'wana ndingatomusota ndingatomusotela anotokiri vendamba anikozvipa yo anikozvipa ndinozviamba zvichikobva but I understand the line though and as not because tizinochitomana nachigwana chachikwadhiamba Tyga Mukoni on his first was talking like hey I'm gonna look at the ad and then hey, who's the king? And like, just that is that kind of like friendly beef. Yeah, I don't know if it's beef or something, but just that you're all bringing the best out of each other. Don't about complementana while they're bringing out the best out of each other. I'm sure you know what I mean. Like, yeah, don't about complementana. I've the best. Yeah, I think those are yo. But you not like a very ambulance over some me for I grew up doing ngorwana ni ndo mini oh I think I'm Tom and Jerry because my flaws are funny. Oh yeah, no if. I think I'm Tom and Jerry because the flaws are funny and mine are scary. I grew up doing freestyle till I got that time that's a carry. I grew up doing freestyles, Gelango, that's a care. Nice. You know, like it's those lines that you understand, but you don't know how to explain them. Like, I grew up doing freestyle, right? Like freestyle, like that's okay. That's not a funny because that's a care. So I have to make sure or in the so you know. Freestyle like like all those kind of stuff like nice. I understand the level, but I don't know how to explain it. That's scary. I grew up doing freestyle until I got that time that's a carry. But remember to worry about the body to don't get a flat. I want to freestyle. The baby is not on over there. I can't do my daddy kill us and it's to Yama Polisari. In the land, the man is going for a pole at the show, so don't get into the Shumamotari. But you want you can yo, naipela line like ndinavulenda ma ndikovavhura toho like ndikovatanyisa ndikovavhura toho like ndichimamochari you know if there's a few mochari from to avhura toho abviswa zvimini I'm not sure about it but yeah man ndinavulenda so ndikovavhura toho ndikovatanyisa like ndichimamochari mochari kureference like kuvhura toho ndikotanzviwa uyavhura toho abviswa zvimini like yo man kana zvinopo mntu ovakoitwa postmortem whatsoever yo nice let's go
mapholisani rivavili zvinoona wobodera kaya zvamadani kulafenedzidzo yamapholisani ndine vulende mara kundivhura khonga tisoso tongari ndonoshuma mochari vathu vanji venda ndichituni meni chanavota khane vari wai ndichingarobekari rubekari
I wanted to listen to this, bro. I wanted to listen to this. Let's go, man. Vathu vanji ndichi va mention venda vari wani chiko Rebekari. Ela unofi songo Rebekari nga matombo ngondo tambula. Ngongwana ne. So ukamba sonzo emna vathu vanji ndichi koni mention up like the freestyle zanga ndiko thoma where I'm doing my freestyle shit and stuff. Hofi ndiko posa Rebekari nga matombo like when you mentioned to kid venda that freestyle. Hofi ngo posa Rebekari nga matombo. Ngondo ndiko fi niko posa Rebekari nga matombo niko mention antana bore ninga fetana dani chiko aluwana ya muzika angani thusa ori niye kha level ya ntha muzika. No kono person so yeah but like Africa ni bekari ni ukubuza kuti kituna kunikide venda hapa kani bekari ona mkala ayo bekari
enda ndichituni meni chana bota kane bari wai ndichingarobekari kanu bekari kama buza ndina butari the punchline guy for a career to set the deadline
ooh hit hard
kama buza ndina butari the punchline guy for a career to set the deadline
ndina butchery at the punchline ndina butchery reference a beef. I've got beefs. Dina butcher as the punchline, so dingani bifana as the punchline. You got it. If you don't get it, forget about it.
The punchline guy for a career to set the deadline.
Dingai vura career to the deadline. Like, hey man, that was the first. Hey, I was go wear zino apa. Hey, go do vura zino. So come on, dia.
Even the flow, dinga the mama lubricant and let me repang.
This is a pun.
Career to set the deadline. Even the flow, dinga the mama lubricant and let me repang matamo. Ndiko flow yange ya suba
something with this flow yange ya suba like bro the lubricant moromoni like just like that you gotta simplify it as of the need physical for me azoneka
suba na flow dinga mama lubricant
musfa dinga mama lubricant like ngana lubricant but lubricant in lube can't so you could know the jambo chucho chami chito chosubisa emsini ko kwamdavasa bangabanyanga yona ngona yona ine dziki ina lubricant but people can kanjwa mna babu nyanga lubricant yami ngona bangotoshera zelo zinokuziyamba ndidanyo for yeah man but yeah kucha boy disapa ngodo ko promote brand yabangu yeah and then you know like lubricant ngomoni flow yanga itosuba ntabiti na hona yafuna nandone itosuba my reps they're flawless. In fact, they're flawless. Madance, check on my dance. Check among my dance. Madame Mozoti Kone, my check on me, madame. That's Logan Charlie King. Guys, how did I this but ndiko cheche kanya beat unga ndiko celebrate birthday yabo baby ndiko chea cake like cake it can also be pussy can also be cake right cake can also be references as pussy so ndiko check kanya beat like I'm just fucking this beat bro like I'm fucking this beat like I'm fucking I will be to celebrate a birthday or like cake reference a birthday cake and then cake I mean your pussy RKV nichiba chekisa ma dance ndakudanga mini sikale keke ngongwana yeah mfimini kuna kepe because ndinenela kodemela rap no cap Ngandra is saying like no cap bro this is not a cap like okay if you got a cap like no cap right no cap ukwambofia alikoto the avera yeah alikoto the avera like no cap bro we're gonna stand up for rap no cap we're gonna stand up for rap simple as that no cap we're gonna stand up for rap Record I mean cap because mean no cap. Oh man, I don't know if you understand what I mean. Corona cap and go dinner with them I mean vend rap, can I them rap, ever rap, right? So we mean this is not I'm not cap, not cap, we're gonna stand up for rap. So we have to get a cap.
Get a medicalist, running on the repeat. You can get but not one of the one of the number. Oh no, man. The killer who get different than I don't run a fish at all. No, man.
Nice. Oh, hey, Zigo Vaga, yes. Rutgers Venda and Tygaboy Mukoni, Caball Villa performance. Go and watch it. Yeah, go and watch it. YouTube. Yeah, Tygaboy on the link on the description. None the Mr. Obrection. Na chiduro changa china chako visa muyanga babasi. Nigori we out.